summer term, we talked about ambassadors. Some of you put yourselves forward to be ambassador in different roles within the school. Over the next week, the final decisions for that will be made, and those people that have been successful will be notified. So, if you think we've forgotten about you, that is not the case. Those people that have been successful will be notified this week, or the beginning of next week, and then you could start in your roles. The second thing is Year 10 work experience. Now, we're only 3 weeks away from work experience, and lots of you have got some really good ideas on where to go. And they can happen, but to enable that to happen, I do need the consent forms back from the parents if you're day students, and consent forms back from the boarding house if you're a boarder. So please can you get those into me as soon as possible, or your tutors. And if you are really struggling to find a placement, please come and see me. Please come and see me. Don't go quiet, because otherwise you'll be stuck in school and you'll be doing schoolwork, and that will be boring, and that won't actually help you to find out what your future career could possibly look like and give you the experience. Okay, and you.
I'll come, sir. Thank you. The first one is congratulations to some swimmers. Mr. Mathers was telling me Theo Rowe, Sawyer, Ollie Garnett, Theo Reynolds entered the North Devon Swimming Gala, which is the first time we've had a number of people attending that for quite some time, which is great. And good luck to Theo Reynolds. He's at a swim event in Coventry, I believe, this weekend. He's been sent to Coventry. The other one that I was just going to mention, I wanted to say well done to Sam playing. I think that you see teachers stand up here, and you know how, when you have to stand up here, how nerve-wracking it can be. And building your confidence, building your ability to work under pressure is really important for the future. And I've got a Lambda presentation here. Now Lambda, some of you will have heard of, some of you might not have done. The London Academy of Music and Dramatic Art, Lambda. This is for acting grade 5 solo for Edward. So I'll ask Edward to come out and grab this, please. So whether you're going to be walking the boards, whether you're going to be a thespian on stage, or actually you're just developing your skills, your confidence, maybe Ed would be leading a boardroom one day, and those skills that he's picked up doing that will most definitely fare him well. If you're in current year 11 or current year 12, I did send an email out to all parents about a potential trip to Iceland in October. At this stage, it's just, yes, I'm very interested. The only reason I ask is that I've managed to secure some flights, but I'd need to kind of put a deposit down very, very soon. So if you didn't know about that and your parents haven't mentioned it, probably because it's really expensive, but give them a nudge, because I'd need a reply before the end of the day tomorrow. Thank you very much. Mrs. Steph.
Could I have all of bronze DV out the front, please? Got stopped obviously because of COVID, and all of us, myself included, ended up sitting in front of screens for hours on end, only getting out for an hour a week. So kind of we lost all the innate, physical fitness, that innate endurance. And these guys did their qualifier, didn't you, last week, and it was tough. Yeah, they had to walk for at least 6 hours. And I always wanted to set the bar quite high. They had terrain that was quite tough. And they all achieved it. But not just actually doing it, they had to work together. And that's something we have lost a little bit of COVID. And I've seen it a lot. Our social skills, our interaction with each other, not falling out with each other, not having a go at each other. And they were tired, especially on that second day. And to keep going all the way, especially when they got to the Duncan Beacon at the top, and just getting up to the top of that, because the rest of it was downhill, wasn't it, guys? So I would like to recognise that they have actually achieved their expedition section of their bronze DV, and ask Mr. Davis to give you your certificates. Okay, so they are Aaron, Fiona, Finley, Flynn, Morgan, James, Ollie, Bertie, Mia, Can we give them one big final clap? I'm very, very proud.
Well, thank you very much and very well done to you guys as well in particular. Year 8s that are here. Next year, starting September, all of Year 8 will be enrolled on the Duke of Edinburgh Bronze Award. It's not going to be compulsory to do the expedition, but given that service, volunteering and skills and activities are all part of what you do day in, day out at Kingsley, and service in particular is something that we'll be talking to you about in September. And that's the whole school, from Year 7 right up to Year 13. You will notice in your planners next year that you will have additional pages in there for recording your volunteering, your service. Anything and everything that you do inside school, outside school will be recorded there and totaled up in terms of hours of service, so that we can see as a school what sort of an impact we're making in terms of service capital. And that's really important for social capital reasons, and for showing just how philanthropic we can be as a school and you can be as individuals. There will be badges, awards that will fit with that as well, similar to the merit system, and more on that to come. Now likewise, the whole school from Year 5 to Year 9 will be also enrolled in the Arts Award. We just had that Lambda certificate handed out this morning, absolutely brilliant. And Lambda forms part of one of the options in arts. But the Arts Award will give everybody from, as I said, Year 5 the opportunity to gain their Explorer and Beginner badges, and then as you get into Year 7 and 8, to get your Bronze Award, your Bronze Arts Award. For Year 9s, you'll be going on to start the Silver Pathway, and then actually it's up to you whether you decide to continue that in Year 10 and get your Silver Arts Award badge. And then those who are really keen on the arts may go on to do gold in sixth form as well. So lots of opportunity in outward adventurous pursuits, particularly DOV. And as I said, with Year 9 next year, all of you will be doing it. And in terms of the arts as well, everybody will be getting involved and having a taste of a broad brush introduction to the arts. So lots to look forward to. Well done to everybody who is continuing to participate, get involved, get active, give, appreciate, etc. And keep going, please, until the end of term. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Please wait to be dismissed.